Hello everyone, welcome to my school. This is Thai massage school, and since 2008 I'm teaching in Europe, in Russia, in Bali, even in Thailand, in India, all kind of students, and there is some certain mistakes that all beginners do. And I would like to share with you this information that will be very useful if you are as a beginner, or you just study some techniques that you're sure that you know the techniques, but there is some psycho aspects concerning your body, your mind, and your communication with your patient. And I share this information in the link below. You just go there. This is aspects that impact all your life, because a lot of patients that I have right now, they're practitioners. They practice Thai massage or other techniques, but they don't know the details, how to do it properly, how not to hurt yourself. And this is important to know when you're a beginner, because you can save your healthy. And I would like to share this information with you. And you just need to go below to go through this link and get the full video there. See you on my course. Goodbye.